great, Mr. Rick. You got you a new chapeau on there, don't you?
Yeah, I got me a new hat.
Yeah.
How you like it?
I like it a lot. Where'd you get that?
Well, good, because I bought this when I was visiting my daughter up in Utah, and I've even worn it to church.
Oh, man, that's great.
Well, thank you very much. Well, let me ask you this: Have you heard any good dad jokes lately?
Oh, yeah, I've heard a few of them. You want to tell some?
Okay. Well, let me tell mine first.
Okay.
And then I'll let you tell yours.
All right, that sounds like a deal.
All right. So here we go.
All right.
Well, let me ask you a question here first.
Okay.
If two vegetarians got in a fight, would you still call that a beef?
A beef. I get it. That's a good one right there.
Yeah, that's
I
right.
like it. Yeah. It's a bad joke, but I like it. Yeah.
Let's see here.
Tell nothing.
All right. Well, what do you call it if you mix a cow,
A cow.
and a sheep?
A sheep. Cow and a sheep.
Right.
I don't know.
Well, I don't know, but I'm gonna tell you what now. It's an animal with a bad mood.
An animal in a bad mood.
An animal in a bad
That's
mood.
right. I get it
Yeah,
now. That's
that's
fun.
it.
I like it.
I know. I got to where I came from.
I know.
Anyway,
Me either. I tell nothing.
if you turn a canoe over, you can put it on your head.
Really? I didn't know that.
Well, because now it's capsized.
Oh, capsized.
Yep. Now that is a dad
That's
joke.
a dad joke.
That's right.
Right there. That's what that is. All right, give me that.
So, what does a baby computer call its father?
I don't know. A baby computer.
Dada.
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 I get it.
I know it. I like
That
that
was pretty good right there.
one. By the way, the other day I was over at a friend's house and he said, "Come on in the shop." So I went in the shop with him. He said, "Look at there. There's my step ladder."
Okay.
I said, "Yeah, okay." And he turned around and he said, "You know, I never did know my real ladder."
Oh, well, man. Oh.
You get it? Real,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I hope.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and tell my long
Oh, I
joke.
thought that was
All right.
okay. All right, tell your long joke.
One time there was this man, he asked God, he said, "God, is it true that a million years is like a second to you?"
Huh. Yeah.
God thought there a second. He said, "Well, yeah, I guess that's right.
Well,
Yeah, about a million years, about a second to me." He said, "Well, let me ask you this. Is $1 million like a penny to you?" God said, "Yeah,
okay.
I guess $1 million is like a penny to me." So he said, the man looked at God and says, "Well, could you loan me a penny?"
Oh, you knew that was coming.
And God said, "Yeah, well, wait a second."
Oh. He gonna wait a million years, ain't he?
Yeah, like, wait a million years, that's right. All right, well, now, you go ahead and tell yours.
Okay. All right, here we go. Why did the cat cross the street?
Why did the cat cross the road? I don't know.
Because the chicken had a pinpointer. Yeah.
Hey, my
Pinpointer.
cat
A
chases
laser. A laser
chases
for you.
one of
that's
them
right.
laser pointers all
Yeah,
the
that's
time.
funny
I know
right
what
there.
you say. That's fun right there.
All right.
All right, give me that.
How did they do math on the farm? Did I ask this before?
How did they do math on a farm?
Yeah.
I don't know. I ain't really thought about it.
Well, they use a calculator.
Calculator. That's now that's funny right there. Oh hell yeah.
Oh,
All right,
what do you
now
call a woman that puts all her bills in flames?
I don't know.
Bernadette.
Bernadette. I think we've told that one before.
Yeah, Bernadette.
Yeah.
Yeah, I believe we have.
All right, give me that.
Hear about the man that broke his left arm? Well, he's all right now.
It's all right now. Okay. All right, I get it. All right, well, tell me your long joke. All right.
Okay, I'll tell you a long joke. It ain't real funny, but one time there was this fella and he's sitting there at home and his clothes was bigger, so he thought he was smaller.
Getting small.
About a week went by and he still thought he was getting smaller and smaller.
Okay.
So he said, I better go with the doctor. So he went to the doctor, and the doctor looked at him and said, well, yeah, you're getting smaller, so I guess you're going to have to get used to being a little patient.
Be a little patient, right? That's funny right there. I don't care who you are. All right, well, look here. If any, let's remind everybody that if anybody has any dad jokes that they want to send in,
Okay.
send them in, and we'll give you credit for them if you know, if it makes it on here. If not,
That's right.
We won't, because you won't be on here. All right, okay. All right, well, look here. During that last show, I don't think I did a Slurpee,
right.
so I'm gonna do a Slurpee right now. You want to do it with me?
Yeah, I'll do
All right,
it.
here we go. Let's do a Slurpee. I'm only gonna do one.
All right.
All right, here we go.
Cue the music.
Number one.
All right. I'm going to turn around.
All right, that's it. Listen in.
I forgot my cup.
Y'all be sweet. Love every one of you.
I love every one of y'all too. I forgot my cup. That's how come I turned around. Look here, we're going to put the address and everything so that you can do that, all right? Hey, well, look here. Y'all be sweet. I'll talk to you later. Join us again, because the water's fine.